The water pump pliers are made from top-quality chrome vanadium steel. The jaw aperture can be adjusted quickly and easily to provide the required grip of an object with the use of the button for quick jaw adjustment. The jaw aperture is adjustable to 10 positions. The maximum diameter of the gripping object is 40 millimeters. The handles minimize slipping, provide greater support, and enable safe and effective transmission of power from the hand to the jaws. Due to the slim-line construction, the water pump pliers can be used with just one hand, which is useful when working in hard-to-reach places. The water pump pliers ensure work safety